Good morning, children. Today we will revise from exercise 13.2 some simplification where you have to use the exponent laws of exponents, and in few sums you have to express in exponential form where you have to it is written that in a question that express in the exponential form, there you have to express in the exponential form, and where only simplify you will be written, there you have to express in the simplify in a value only you can give there. Now in question number A, what I have selected for question number A, 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 4 cube into a to the power 3. Here it is not a prime number, so first of all you convert it into prime number. 2 to the power 8 into a to the power 5 divided by 2, instead of 4 can I write 2 square? Yes. Now into 3 equal to a cube. I am writing here, there is no space, so I am writing here only. Now what I get here, 2 to the power 8, very good, 2 to the power 8 and a to the power 5, as it is written here, a to the power 5 I will write. Now 2 to the power, 3 to the power of power, you have to multiply, power of power you have to multiply into a cube. Then what you will get? No need to write now, you can use exponential law now. 2 to the power 8 minus 6, as you know, a to the power m by a to the power n, then you have to do a to the power m minus n, a to the power m divided by a to the power n, what you have to do, a to the power m minus n into a to the power 5 minus 3, 5 minus 3, division condition, so subtraction only. Now 2 to the power 2 into a to the power 2. Both the powers are same but bases are different. So in the another law we know that here we have to do 2a whole to the power 2. It is in the exponential form also, you can do in this way. Next, come to the next question. Question number B. I have given it as B and do this one. See, here you can convert it into prime number also, but as both the numbers are same, so you can live in this way. Now you no need to do anything here. What you can do, 4 to the power 5 minus 5, 4 to the power 5 minus 5 into a to the power 8 minus 5 into b to the power 3 minus 2. Understood? Because when the bases are same, powers are different and they are in division condition. You know that which law we are using here. We are using this law only. A to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Understood? A to the power m minus n. So here what you will do, 4 minus 4 5 minus 5, 4 to the power 0, a to the power 8 minus 5 3, b to the power 3 minus 2 1. So here the result is 1, 4 to the power 0 1 into a cube into b. The final result you can write in this way, a cube b. Okay, come to the next question. Here you have to simplify only, no need to express in the exponential form. Here you have to simplify only. 2 to the power 5 whole to the power 2, 7 to the power 3, 8 to the power 3 divided by 8 to the power 3 into 7. Convert it into prime number, because 2 is there, you can convert it into prime number. Instead of 8 you can write 2 cube. So 2 to the power 5 to the 10 into 7 to the power 3. Here instead of 8 we can write 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So 2 cube into whole to the power 3, because 8, 2 cube only 8 and 3 was there on the power of 8, so cube into 7. Now next line, it is 2 to the power 10 into 7 cube by 2, 3 3s are 9, 2 to the power 9 into 7. So what I can get here, What can I get here? From you know that there is no space. Can I go? Now 2 to the power 10. 2 to the power 10 minus 2 to the power 10 minus 9. 10 minus 9 into 7 to the power 3 minus 1. 2 to the power 9 minus 10 means 1. 1 if you write also, don't write, same thing. 7 to the power 2. Now 2 into 49, 98. And in this way you have to give the answer of this question. Now you have to practice, as it is a practice work only. We are revising few sums from every exercise. We are taking few sums and we will practice in this way. And when you will practice, you have to practice each and every sum you know. Thank you, students.